Hello friends. So today I am here with my new video that is about HCF, highest common factor. You all are finding the HCF with the method. Let's take one example, that is 6, 12. So what are the factors of 6? 2 into 3. Again the factors of 12, that is 2 into 2 into 3. And then you see the common, that is 2 here, again 2 here, so write down 2. Then again what is next common, that is 2 3 here and 3 here, so you write 3. So you have the answer 6. So 6 is the HCF of this. So if we find out the same with the easy and the simple method, that is this is let's take the difference between these two. What is the difference between 6 and 12? That is 6, right? So you see, you have to check that whether 6 is in the table of 6. Yes, it is in the table of 6. Yes, it is in the table of 12. So the HCF is directly 6, and you also already checked here, right? So let's take another example, that is 8 and 28, right? So you see the difference. What is the difference between 8 and 28? That is 20. So we have to see whether 20 is in the table of 8. No, it's not. Again, that is not in the table of 28. So we have to find the factors of this, that is 4 into 5, right? So now we check whether it is in the 4 is in the table of 8. Yes, it is divisible by 8. Yes, it is in the table of 8. Again, in the table of 28. So again we have to check for 5. 5, it's not in the table of 8. It's not in the table of 28. So it means HCF is 4, right? So let's take another example. If we have more than 2 values, that is 15, 20 and 45. So when we have more than 2 values, then we have to see the smallest difference between any two. So what is the smallest between any two? Is 5, because here it's 25. So we take 5. Now we have to check whether it is in the table of 15. Yes, it is divisible by this, it is divisible by this, it is divisible by 45. So HCF is 5, right? So again let's take one more example, that is 6, more than 3 numbers, in fact 6, 16, 24 and 32, right? So you see again the smallest difference, that is 8, because here the difference between 6 and 16 is 10. Difference between 16 and 24 is 8, and then here it is 8. So we see the difference is 8, but we have to see whether it is divisible by or in the table of these all. No, it's not in the table of 6. So we have to again make the factors, and that is 2 into 4. Now check whether 2 is in the table of 6. Yes, it is in the table of 16. It is in the table of 24. It is, but 4 is not in the table of 6. So it means the HCF is 2, right? So let's take one more example, that is 17, 23, 54, 67 and 73, right? So when we take this example, you see we have some prime numbers also, right? So you again see the smallest difference, that is I think 6, right? So 6, of course it's not in the table of any. So again we have to make the factors. So 6 multiplied by 1. Of course when 6 is not in the table of all these, then but 1 is in the table of this, so its HCF is 1. So this is the easy method with the help of which you are able to find out the HCF. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please like, share, comment and do not forget to subscribe, and also bell the bell icon. Thank you.